Hi, welcome to my cooking show. My name is Jaclyn and today we'll be making fluffy egg omelette. For this you will need 3 eggs for 1 serving, an avocado, garlic of your choice, either powdered, pre-minced or fresh, some olive oil or butter if you prefer, any vegetables that you would like in your omelette. Today I'll be using some sprouts, and then some flavoring of your choice. I'll be using parsley, some white pepper, red pepper, and everything but the bagel seasoning. The first step to cooking is to put your hair up and then wash your hands. The first step is to separate your eggs. As you can see, I'm using the method here where you toss the yolk back and forth between the eggshells. Eventually you'll be left with just the yolk. You want to separate it into a separate bowl that you'll be using later. You want to repeat this process throughout all the eggs until you're done. You then want to beat your egg mixture until the egg whites are light and fluffy. While your egg whites are mixing, you can prepare your egg yolks. In a separate bowl, I added some garlic, a pinch of white pepper, some parsley, red pepper flakes, and mix. Sometimes I like to add a capful of milk. If you'd like to keep it dairy-free, you can add a little bit of water, almond milk, or anything of your choice. You want to add your pre-washed vegetables to your mixture. You want to fold in your mixture because you don't want to lose any of the fluffiness of the egg whites. So we'll slightly fold in the mixture until it's all one even color. On a medium-low heat, you want to heat up your oil or butter, spread it around your pan. Lightly spread it around your pan so it's all nice and even. You want to cover it and let it sit for a while. While your egg is cooking, you can prepare your toppings. If you'd like to use cheese and make a cheese omelet, you could skip this step. However, I'd like to use avocado. I'm going to mash up the avocado and add seasoning of my choice. I'm going to start with some everything but the bagel seasoning, a splash of olive oil, and some red pepper flakes. Mix that and let that sit on the side. Don't forget to be checking on your eggs so they're not burning. You know it's ready to flip when you lift up your spatula and it's slightly brown on that side. When it is, you can flip it. Now is when you would add cheese if you wanted to make a cheese omelet. Let the cheese sit and cover it. However, since I'm making avocado omelet, I'm going to spread my toppings on top now. I like my omelets a little spicy, so I add some chipotle mayo and spread a thin layer across my entire omelet. To get it off the pan, just kind of slide it and then fold it over itself. I like to top it with some parsley and bon appetit. Delicious.